The Food Service Exchange presents.
I'm Steve Adams from Team Cedar Grilling, and we're 3-time Canadian barbecue champions. It's not normal type of barbecuing, it's very extreme. So we push the limits of barbecue all the time. It all has to do with perfection. I first chose Crown Verity back in 2004. If I've spent a year preparing to compete in a competition, I need something that's going to perform and not let me down. Instant heat and something of quality. That's where Crown Verity comes in. Quality all the way. From the time you hold the lid to the time you pull it across the field, a bumpy field, the wheels are 12 inches in diameter. I love the water tray in the bottom. It's easy for cleanup. If you just put water in, you can cook anything greasy that you want and empty the tray. That's very convenient for us. You also aren't going to have flare-ups because you've got a deflector plate, and all of the grease is going to go down on that deflector plate to flavorize the meat, and then the fat will go down to the water tray for easy removal. I love the pilot light system, and you can turn on any burner and you're up to 700-800 degrees within seconds. That's what I need. The bun rack, we use that a lot. It goes above the main grate, and for indirect cooking you just turn each outside burner on, and it's removable, which is nice. The rotisserie motor, when we have a large piece of meat on it, a hip of beef or something like that, then it'll turn 100 pounds with no problem. You don't have to balance it out. The front shelves and the side shelves, they're easily removable, which I like. I don't want something fixed. So it makes it smaller for tucking it away, and then the trays just flip right on. What I really push about a Crown Verity barbecue is the ease of cleanup. What we do is we take it back to the shop, we open the lid, and we just put a little plastic bag over the regulator, and we power wash absolutely everything. There's no other barbecue on the market that you can do that to. You get what you pay for. In my opinion, if you buy a Crown Verity barbecue, you're going to have it for a lifetime. My barbecue from 2004 is still going strong. It's 2011, and it looks just like the day I got it. It's all about perfection for us.